everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unbagging my Yes Oh Yes bag. This is a monthly subscription. It is $14.99, I believe, or $15.99 a month for the bag, and you get anywhere from 4 to 5 full-size items in it. So the first thing that we're going to pull out here is the Mirabella Brilliant Mineral Highlighter. This retails for $42. And this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I do already have some highlighter on, but I will put a little bit of this on because you can never have too much highlighter. One of the other things in the bag is this Deluxe Badger Oval Shadow Brush. I'm actually going to use this for the highlight. This retails for $19. Not bad, not bad. Alright, the next thing in the bag is the Sorme Brow Lift Highlighting Pencil. My eyebrows are already done, so I'm not going to use this today, but this retails for $22. It's basically a cream color to help sculpt your eyebrows with. The next thing in the bag is from Beauty Creation. This is Unicorn Tears Liquid Highlighter. This is what it looks like. It's basically a white kind of pearl iridescent. I'm again not going to use this today because I just put on some extra highlighter that I probably didn't need, but we'll go ahead. That retails for $17. The last thing in the bag is from Aesthetica. This is a lip contour kit palette. This retails for $45. It comes with a pamphlet that shows you all the different kinds of looks that you can do and things that you can do to help contour and make your lips bigger, I guess. But this is what it looks like. Let me open it up. So it has several different lip shades, and then looks like 2 pencils that are dual-ended, so they match the colors in the palette there. And then this last thing is, what is this last thing? Is a lip brush to put on the lipstick. I can go ahead and tell you now, I won't use this for the simple fact that I don't use lipsticks that are not liquid lipsticks. That's just a preference of mine. I don't like the texture, I guess is what it is, of regular lipsticks and how they feel on my lips, so I don't use them. But I will try the lip liner and just draw in and color in my lips with the lip liner. So we're gonna use the one that has Bombshell on it. And this is what the color looks like. The lip liners are very creamy. They go on very smooth. There's no skipping or anything like that. So they work really well. I just wish that the lipstick would have been liquid lipstick, and I probably would have used it then. But that is everything that was in this month's bag. The overall retail value was $145. So that is a huge amount of cost that you are getting for around 15-16 bucks. So if you've not looked into the Yes Oh Yes, I definitely recommend checking it out. I do have a code that will give you 10% off. It is Honey, HUNNI. You just have to put in your email address whenever you're using the code for it to activate. But that'll at least give you 10% off of your bag or anything that you buy from the website itself. And that's just yesohyes.com. But I'll leave all the information in the description box down below. So I want to thank you for watching my video today. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be reminded the next time I upload. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.